If you want me to fix this, you gotta get up.
You look sleepy, Caillou. Well, that's what happens when you stay up late.
I like your new big truck. It's a dumper. It's a yellow dumper. Can you say a yellow dumper I got now?
For all of us.
Lucas,
Stretch your legs out.
Lucas has a yellow dumper.
He and his mommy
Lucas,
were
fix
going
your
on
legs,
a
buddy.
picnic with Clementine and her mommy.
I
Lucas.
think we have enough celery, Caillou.
Sweetie, can you
Why
fix
don't
your
you
legs?
decorate the cupcakes?
Okay, Mommy.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Look, Mommy. I'm making a cupcake for Clementine. I made a face.
Caillou, you won't be hungry if you keep eating like that.
Yes, I will.
Legs, Lucas, you sneaky kid.
Your legs, buddy, your legs.
You're gonna be looking crooked all your life, kid.
Hi.
You're gonna be injury prone like the Kronk Gonk. Rrrr.
You gotta
No
keep your
more
legs straight,
stretching,
sweetie.
Caillou. You won't be
You're
able
gonna be
to eat
walking a
anything.
crooked mile.
He's so used to it. You gotta keep your legs